Okay guys, the weather's been terrible, not been able to do anything, so I've decided that I'm going to attempt the vinyl wrap again. As you've seen on the previous video, I attempted to do the slam panel cover on the front and failed miserably, which I'm glad, because I think green fake carbon fibre, ultimate green fake carbon fibre was not the right colour. So I spread it black and put some ultimate green decals on, which looks miles better. I'm going to attempt to do some of the interior parts. I know you've probably seen this before from others. Bear with me. There's some bigger and better things coming to the channel. I've got something quite special coming up. I say special. It's not really special, it's just going to split opinions. It's going to make a lot of people angry, and a lot of people probably try themselves. I don't know, it's going to save me money. If it fails, as long as it doesn't fail dramatically, then I think people will appreciate the fact that I've done it and they know then not to do it themselves. So like I said, bear with me, I'll get this done, or attempt to get it done, and then hopefully in the next week I'll be able to do this other video and surprise you all with it. So I'm going to crack on now and show you what colour I've got for this. So as you know, I have the ST500 red leather interior in mine, and when I did the short shifter I fitted a lovely dark red leather gear gaiter. So I've gone for a dark red carbon fibre look. Now I've watched several videos now on how to do vinyl wrap, and to be honest I think I've learnt a couple of tricks which I'll explain while I'm doing it. So without any more hesitation, I'm going to crack on. As you can see, I'm using the wife's hairdryer again. I'll just cut through this and put the rest back in its tube. Okay, now I'm going to start with this piece first. This one looks probably the easiest, and see where we go from there. These were cleaned prior to starting out. There is some, I think it's like a glue residue there, but hopefully it shouldn't come through, because I can't get it off and I don't want to scratch it. In case this all goes wrong, I'm going to end up spraying it. So, crack on. It's very dark in colour, it's like a blood red. Okay, I've just trimmed the edge of that, and I didn't realise the camera was on, so it's come out quite well. A trick that I picked up when doing this section here, which I've noticed on other YouTubers, is to actually have the hairdryer kept on, blowing onto it, and manipulating, making it soft basically in the middle. You can probably do this actually sat down flat. Stretching it over. trying to leave enough space though to stretch it and fold it under. Got to remember this is my second attempt, and my first attempt was a massive failure. So if you want to watch the failure, look back on my other videos and see what you think. Trim this last bit up. I'm not going to film the rest of it, but I'll show you them all before I put them on the car. Just showing you that I can actually do it now, and then I'll show you what they look like when I've finished and fit them to the car. I think they look pretty good actually, to be honest, but I'm biased I suppose, and I've just noticed my camera battery's flashing, so I need to change my battery. Alright, see you in a minute. Okay, another trick I learned is when you've done it, obviously the carbon fibre grain, although it's a copy, goes a particular way. So to make sure that it actually matches everything when you dash, you're going to have to make sure you cut it the right way. So I need it that way. And I'm going to have to cut another piece because this isn't big enough. But remember that the grain has to match. Okay, ashtray's done. I found this a little bit fiddly. You've got to try and trim it to avoid the hooks underneath. I'm going to heat it up a little bit more and get it to stick a bit more. But apart from that, I think it's turned out quite good. So I'm very pleased with that, and it matches how the grain travels, or the pattern, whatever you want to call it, on the gear surround. So I just need to match the stereo surround now, and then I'll take the camera out and we'll fit them back onto the car, and then you can all give me your opinion. Okay, we're down to the final bit. Wish me luck, because I think this one's going to be the hardest one. Fingers crossed the next time I turn this camera back on, I'll be fitting them in and I'll have done it. Well, I've impressed myself. I'm looking forward to sticking these on. It does look a bit, it's just because you can see behind the holes. I am proper impressed with myself. Right, let's go and stick them on the car. As you can see, all fitted. Looks absolutely stunning, but I'm not happy with the surround. I've cut the holes too short, so I will do it again, just not right this very second. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I hope you're going to look forward to my Cat Amongst the Pigeons video of what I'm going to do next. Thanks for watching. If you like, hit the like button. If you want, hit the subscribe button. If you want, comment, good or bad, I'll reply. Thanks for watching.